Baking is one of my favorite ways to spend time with my son, and with our KitchenAid 5-quart stand mixer, it makes things so much easier and more fun. So this stand mixer is built to handle it all, whether it's, a small batch or a big batch of cookies. It's durable, all metal construction, and a 5-quart stainless steel bowl. So it's perfect for everything, like I said, from small to big. The tilt head design is a complete lifesaver. It makes adding ingredients quick and easy, and once you're ready to mix, you just lock it in place. And with 59 touch points around the bowl, this mixer gives you great results every single time. Whether you're mixing dough, whipping cream, or making cake batter, it gets everything perfectly incorporated. It also has 10 speeds, so whether you're stirring gently or whipping at full speed, you have total control. It's so versatile. We love how easy it is to use, and baking together has never been more enjoyable. It's one of our favorite things to do. The KitchenAid mixer is more than just an appliance. It's a staple in our kitchen and helps us make memories with every single recipe. Whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started, I cannot recommend this KitchenAid mixer enough. We absolutely love it.